Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're a frequent flyer, you know how amazing Priority Pass is for gaining access to those luxurious airport lounges. But in 2025, with Apple's latest updates, adding your Priority Pass to Apple Wallet has never been easier or more convenient. This quick guide will walk you through the steps, so you can breeze through airports without fumbling for your pass. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need an iPhone running iOS 18 or later, the Priority Pass app installed, and an active Priority Pass membership. If you don't have the app, head to the App Store and download it now. That's step 1. Once you're all set up, open the Priority Pass app and log in to your account. This is straightforward. Just enter your username and password, or use Face ID if it's enabled. After logging in, navigate to the My Passes, or Digital Wallet, section. Look for an icon that looks like a wallet or a card. Now, here's where the magic happens. Tap on your Priority Pass membership card within the app. You'll see an option that says, Add to Apple Wallet. Go ahead and select that. Your iPhone will prompt you to confirm adding the pass. Tap, Add, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After a quick verification, your Priority Pass will appear in your Apple Wallet app. To make sure it's working, open Apple Wallet and give it a tap. You might want to customize it by adding a photo or notes for easy identification. A few tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version for 2025 features, and check that your Apple Wallet settings allow adding passes. If you run into any issues, like the Add button not appearing, try restarting the app or logging out and back in. And there you have it. That's how you add Priority Pass to Apple Wallet in 2025. You'll love the convenience of scanning your pass right from your lock screen. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.